There's a very good reason why TradingView is one of the most popular websites in the world, and we use it not for our primary trading, but it's a decent backup, and it's a good place for most people to begin their investigation of trend following tenants. So let's go ahead, open up TradingView. You're gonna be greeted with a page like this, and here I've got a daily chart of the DAX. Come down here to Pine Editor, and it will bring up this PineScript language. What I want to do is plot the highest high of the last 40 days. And you don't need to, for now, know why that's important, but go n high equals ta dot highest 40. Okay, so that's going to ask for the highest high of the last 40 days. And then I'm going to go ahead and plot n high. I'm going to save this. It's going to ask me for a name, and then I'm going to add it to the chart. Now, if we go back up here to the daily chart of the DAX, you'll see this computed level is on a subplot. Go ahead and click on it and drag it up to add it to the major chart or plot. I'm going to right click, and what I need to do is pin it so it's on the same scale. Voila, right there, that blue line represents the highest high of the last 40 days. But one problem you see right out of the chute is, since this thing is making a new highest high last 40 days right now, what you're going to want to do is add this one here, and that's going to say, what is the highest high of the last 40 days from one day ago? And that's going to be relevant if you start to get into back testing of strategies or things like that. Now, we also want to find the low, right? So I'm going to go n low equals ta dot, you guessed it, lowest of the last 40 days from one. And I'm going to plot as well this new n low level right there. And I save that, and voila. We've got here the highest high last 40 days from one day ago and the lowest low of the last 40 days from one day ago. Now you can right click in that and change the properties, different colors, thickness, whatever. Now, while we're here, let's just say maybe I don't want the 40-day high or low. Maybe I want something different. So, there's no right or wrong answer. And look back equals 200. And let's go ahead. We made a new variable there called n look back. And I'm going to change that 40 to n look back. And same thing here. N look back. And when I save this, we can shrink that down. And whoops, didn't mean to do that. Okay, so now what you'll see here, that line represents the highest high of the last 200 days, which would be back in July for the DAX, and the lowest low of the past 200 days. You can see here at the end of October, I got close to those March 23 lows, but it didn't go through, and that might be meaningful for some people. So that's just kind of a quick micro course on how you can use TradingView to your advantage. If you want to begin your trend following journey, start here with this quiz, the famous turtle trading quiz, and you can take advantage of Cyber Week deals from TradingView. We've got an amazing deal this week. It's like something like 60 or 70% off. So go ahead and take a look at that, as well as investigating some of the features on our own 40 and 20 out site, where we publish a transparent index of CTA trend beta returns every minute of every trading day since 2014. Okay, well, anyway, that's all for now. Thanks a lot for your time.